Welcome to Mind Savior. Do you know your mind has the power to transform your life? Our channel is dedicated to helping you unlock your full potential and create positive change in your life. Life can be tough, demanding our best every single day. But what if I told you that within you lies a secret weapon, waiting to be unleashed? That weapon is your mind, and it holds the key to your success, happiness, and fulfillment. Filled with vibrant, unstoppable energy, your mind has the power to shape your reality. It's time to take control and begin the journey to a better you. Say goodbye to negativity and hello to a life where dreams become reality. It's time to believe in yourself and all that you are, and we will help you find out there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Together, we will fill your mind with positivity and strengthen your mental resilience. Remember, every thought you embrace will shape your destiny. No longer you will be hostage to doubt, fear, or limitations. It's time to rewrite your story. Subscribe to the Mind Savior community and unlock a world of possibilities. Together, we will dive deep into the secrets of positive thinking, visualization, goal setting, and much more. When you fill your mind with positivity, a life filled with endless possibilities awaits.